Hey, what's up, guys? Thank you guys for dropping in on the channel yet again. I got a little piece of advice today, and I'm gonna keep this video really short. Now, I'm not trying to be clickbaity here, but I wanted to show you guys today the one little tip that I can tell you in terms of lighting to take your streams to the next level, your content creation to the next level. It's such a subtle thing that I see so many people like underutilize, and it's a backlight. Add a backlight. It's something so simple that when you see a little edge on somebody, it makes them pop that much more. Let me show you real quick. Let me turn off my lights. Now, most people, I left that light on. I'm too lazy to walk over there and turn it off. Most people stream like this. They have the one light source. Maybe it's a window, maybe it's a lamp, maybe it's something like that. But you don't realize how much a backlight is doing until you see it pop on. And if I just turn this thing on, you can see just how much more it makes me stand out in my streams. You can do this with so many different types of lighting. You can go find an old phone, set it up off to the side, something like that. So again, if I turn this off and I stick this back here, you can see how much of the quality is boosted just by this simple light. Now, this could be a flashlight. This could be any sort of light that you can think of. I have so many lights that why wouldn't I do this? Not only can you add a light here, but you can also change the color of that light to really give it a different mood. So I could make it this simple white balance, make it nice and white, very warm tone, or I can change it really up and start to change the color and add something really different and unique by adding a little splash of color in there, getting a little bit of a color to make me stand out from the background. Now you're seeing how much of this backlight is actually affecting me. When I go back to this, maybe you don't see it as much, but it's doing a lot. And I feel like so many people are underutilizing this backlight. It would boost your quality that much more. Look at all these lights I have. There's so many options out there. Check this out. I have an arsenal of different types of lighting here. Let's start with the basic one, which we just did a second ago, right? Let's just say it's my phone. Get myself a little phone clip here, mount it like that. Got a stand right here. Set that off to the side. Now it's a little low, so it feels a little maybe horror kind of looking. So I'm gonna raise that up because it's on a stand. Now what I do, I take a giant shower curtain and I push it all the way against my wall and I hang stuff from that shower curtain. It's weird, but it works. Now look how much this simple light on a stand is doing, right? Now if you have a spare phone lying around, most people do these days, I feel like, you just put it on a stand, plug it into a USB outlet, put on the flashlight, leave it up there, and you're done. Or if you don't have like a certain type of lighting fixture, like don't worry about it. Just go, get some tape your phone to a wall or something like that, man. I swear it adds that much more quality to your streams and your overall look. Now I got this little light right here. I actually just did a TikTok video on this thing. It's from a company called Ulanzi. This light is $23 right now. Check this out. So I turn on bright freaking light, right? Let me turn it down to like, I don't know, 10%. This light has multiple features to it, right? It's got the normal daylight mode. So I'm in daylight mode, but if I hold this little, this button right here, as I hold it, it's gonna get warmer and warmer and warmer. It's gonna start to change the color of the light, right? So it has multiple different white balance modes. But here's another cool thing. If I go and press this this button right here and I push and hold, then it jumps into RGB mode, and now I can add a little RGB to my life. I can do this, and I can screw on this little guy, and now I can mount this to a stand if I want to. However, if I didn't have that, another cool feature is about this little light, it's magnetized. I can just stick it on a stand and it's gonna stay there. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't have to do anything. There's a magnet in it. Magnets, yeah, magnets. Let's go green, or kind of like this greenish blue. Put this on here. It's got a little lens flare and everything. Now you see how much this is adding to my quality. Like look what this is doing. Just look at what it feels like. Think about your lighting and try to think about something new you can do or bring to the table. It's a little bit different, right? I got another little light over here. This one cost me back in the day, I think about 70 bucks. Now I think it's about $40. I'll try to find it for you guys. You put a little battery on the back of this guy and just set this off to the side, and then boom, now I'm getting that little edge light. And maybe I flip my key light over here so that's hitting me from this side, so I can kind of cross key myself and get that little bit of shadow, like I do with my light, which you can't see right now. But anyways, this light is also RGB, so I can go ahead and hold this thing and go right back into the color changing mode if I want to, and turn down the brightness if I want to as well. I don't have to go super hard, but again, I can add myself a little bit of a color back here. I can do a little top light. I can do a little light straight above me, which just makes me stand out that much more. A backlight is so underutilized, it's driving me insane. Just consider this is something that you could be doing to improve your own stream quality. And it's not even really stream quality. It's just a visual thing that I just want to help people improve on, adding a little bit of lights, adding little accents, and then splashing in a little bit of color there goes a long way. So again, now that we got this kind of like reddish light back here, maybe I'll try to accent that. Well, I mean, this looks kind of cool, but maybe I'll try to accent that and try to make this maybe a little bit more orangish color. And now maybe it looks like this light is hitting me and adding that backlight for me. Or maybe I dislike that and I want to get more blue on me. So I go, maybe I get that little blue on there. Maybe I do like that green because it makes me pop out so much. I mean, I feel like it looks kind of weird, but hey, you get the idea. Color contrast, man. Everybody loves color contrast. That's why your eyes are so, you know, they like the colors, right? You see the warm and the cold mixed together. It's like all those, like, you know, Michael Bay movies where it's like everything's like orange and teal. It's a whole thing. Go look up orange and teal movies in Google. You'll see exactly what I mean. That's this whole video. I wanted to keep it nice and short. I just wanted to get you guys an idea. You guys can literally go find yourself a cheapo light. I'll put some down below for you, especially that little tiny guy. And this one's from Newer. I could switch it over a color right here. Looks like it's in kind of like a light blue mode. Although this one connects to like an app that I have. So something different, you know, something to make, you know, your streams and make you pop a little bit more. You want to pop a little bit more, right? I know you do. I'm here to help out and try to help you guys improve your stream qualities and just make it that much nicer and something a little bit more eye-pleasing. And it came to me today that I realized that nobody, I'm gonna say 5% of the streamers out there, if that, use a backlight. Just put a backlight up. It looks nice. It adds a nice little edge. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you. Like and sub, please. You don't have to, but you can. And then all the socials are all down below, man. Linktree/activator. Go find all my gear at kit.co/activator. Anything you need, answers down below. You put the questions, I'll put the answers, all right? And if I see some cool stuff down there, I'll make videos on it, all right? Stay good, stay beautiful. You are beautiful. Catch you on the next video. This is too much pointing. I'm out here. Okay, bye.